Hello guys, welcome to the channel MyOneTeacher. So in previous video we discussed about the concept of permutation and we have done some basic sums. So in this video we will work on some difficult sum. So let's move to the screen. So in the previous video I gave one example bat. How many possible words are possible using this three letter? Is 3p3 because there are total 3 objects BAT and 3 option BAT. So 3p3, which is 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. Now in this video we will deal with the sum where word will be something like this: ball, where letters are repeating. For example, in this L is repeating, then apple, APPLE, where you can see P is repeating. Now, number of possible word can be formed using this 4 letter is 4 factorial because there are 4 letter divided by 2 factorial because L is repeating 2 times. Similarly, if some letters are repeating 3 times, it will be divisible by, we have to divide it by 3 factorial. Now apple, total 5 letter, so 5 factorial divided by, since there are 2p, so p is repeating 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. Now if we solve this, we will get the answer. Okay. Now let us do similar question. This one. They said find the number of arrangement of the letters of the word independence. Okay. So in this word independence, you can see total there are 12 letters. Okay. So number of arrangement possible is equals to 12 factorial because of 12 letters. Now which are repeating? You can see n is repeating 3 times. So divided by 3 factorial. Okay. And and I wrote D is also repeating. D is repeating 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. And lastly, P is also repeating 4 times, so 4 factorial. That means if we solve this, we'll get the answer. Why 12 factorial? Because of 12 letters. 3 factorial because n is 3 times. 2 factorial because D is 2 times, and 4 factorial because E is 4 times. Okay. So this is total number of arrangement. Now next, how many this arrangement do the word start with P? Okay, very interesting. So start with P. So out of this 12 letter, we can see one P is here. Okay, that means P is fixed. It will start with P. The word will start with P. So rest there will be 11 letters. One we have already taken. Okay. Now that means one is fixed. Number of word can be found by doing 11 factorial because we need 11 more. But out of this 11, again n is repeating 3 times divided by 3 factorial. Then D is repeating 2 times, again 2 factorial. And lastly is repeating 4 times, so 4 factorial. So this is our answer. You can simplify this. Next, very important, do all the vowels occur, do all the vowels always occur together. Okay, let us solve this one. Now all the vowels occur together. So what are the vowels in this word? In this word we can see I is a vowel, E is a vowel, E, again E, again E. So total 5 vowels are there. And that vowels occur together. Okay. So that means word will be something like this. Out of that 12 letters, 5 letters are vowels. So 5 are vowels and 7 are consonant. So this 5 will be a single unit you can consider. And 7 letters 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are fixed, where the vowels will be E, 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 E and I, and rest 7 are consonant. Now, number of word possible equals to 7 and this as 1 unit. So 8 factorial divided by, in this 7 consonant, any letters are repeating? Yes, N is repeating 2 times, sorry, 3 times, and uh, D is also repeating, D is repeating 2 times. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial. 3 factorial and 2 factorial. Now, in this case where vowels are coming together, that will be 5 factorial because this 5 letter will also get arranged. But in this, E is repeating 4 times, so by 4 factorial. If we simplify this, we will get the answer. Let me explain how. Total 12 letters, out of which 7 are consonant, 5 are vowels. And that vowels will come together, so we have taken that as 1 unit and rest 7 consonants. So total 8 unit. That's why 8 factorial. So it will be arrangement of 8 factorial. Now 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial, because in this word N is repeating 3 times. Okay, and D is repeating 2 times. That's why divided by 2 factorial also. Now this one, since there are 5 vowels which are coming together, that will also arrange among themselves, because I can be in the second, I can be in the third. So 5 factorial divided by, since E is repeating 4 times, by 4 factorial. Any doubt till now, you can ask me on the comment box. We had one more part of this question. Sorry, 2 part. Number 3, do the vowels never occur together? Okay, never occur together. We already got in number 2 number of possible word in which vowels occur together, and previously we already calculate total number of possible arrangement. This one, simply subtract it, you will get the answer. Total number of arrangement minus number of words in which vowels occur together. Okay, next. Now the fourth one, do the word begin with I and end with P. Okay, it begin with I and end with P. So out of this 12 letter, 2 are already fixed. So between that, we have to arrange the rest 10 letters. So that means it will be 10 factorial divided by. So in this 10 letters, what are repeating N? Again, divide by 3 factorial times. Then D is repeating 2 times, so 2 factorial, and E is repeating 4 times, so 4 factorial. So that means 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. This is the answer of fourth one. So any doubt in this question, you can ask me in the comment box. I am moving to the next question. In how many ways can the letters of the word permutation be arranged if the word start with P and end with S? So same concept, P and S are fixed. You have to arrange the rest letter between it. Okay, so you can answer this one in the comment box. Next, vowels are all together. Again, same question. You can take the vowels as 1 unit. Okay, and you can count the rest letter, and then you can find the number of arrangement. Number 3, there are always 4 letters between P and S. Let me explain this one. This is different. There are always 4 letters between P and S. Okay, so how many total letters are there in this word? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, same 12 letters. Now there are always 4 letters between P and S. So it can be something like this: P and S, 4, then P, then 5 gone, 6, total 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, similarly, it can be something like this. Second word can be P. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Later between P and S. Then rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count, you can see you will get 12 letters. Similarly, 1, 2 gap, then P, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then S, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you do in this way, total you will get 7 such arrangement. Last one will be something like this: S, 1, 2, 3, 4, then P, then 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total, if you do in this pattern, you will get total 7 arrangement. But you can see one thing. They said between P and S. So it can be S and P also, same thing. It's between P and S. So times 2. Because same arrangement I can do with S and P. Okay. Into how many letters are left? Total 10 are left because P and S are fixed. So 10 factorial. Next. After this, what we have to do? We have to divide with the factorial which are repeating. So in this one, what are repeating? You can see E. No, E is not repeating. R is also not repeating. M is also not repeating. U. No. T is repeating 2 times, as I can see. Yeah. I didn't get any word which are repeating. So 10 factorial by 2 factorial. So this will be our answer. Just simplify it, you will get the answer. Next, this question: how many distinct permutation of the letter Mississippi do the 4 I's not come together? So this you have to solve and answer me in the comment box. It's a similar type of question. Now moving to the next type. Okay, so next question: find the number of words with or without meaning which can be made using all the letters of the word again. Okay, if this word are written as in a dictionary, what will be the 50 word? Okay, so let us do the first part. Find the number of word with or without meaning which can be made using all the letters of the word again. Very easy. So total there are 5 letters. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial because A is repeating 2 times. This one we have already done. Okay, so let's come to next part. If these words are arranged in a dictionary, what will be the 50 word? Okay, so in a dictionary, it will be arranged alphabetically and first letter will start with A. So from this 5 letter A, G, A, I, N, we can fix one A. Okay, so if I fixed one A, rest 4 letter we have to arrange. Okay, so number of word starting with A, number of word starting with A will be equal to 4 factorial. Why 4 factorial? Because 4 letter we have to arrange A, G, I, N because one is already fixed. So 4 factorial is nothing but 24. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. Next, after A alphabetically G comes. So we will find number of word can be formed using this 5 letter starting with G. So that means again we have to arrange 4 letter. G is fixed. So A, I, N. So 4 letter. So number of words starting with G will be equal to 4 factorial. But this time since A is repeating, divided by 2 factorial. So 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Clear? Now after G alphabetically we will get I in this 5 letter. So next, similarly number of words starting with I will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Reason is if I fixed I the rest letters are A, N, G. Okay, that means we have to arrange 4. A is repeating, that's why I divide by 2 factorial, so again 12. So till now, how many words we have got? 24, which are starting with A. Then next, alphabetically G, which are 12. So number of words starting with I, again 12. So total 48. But what we have to do? We have to find 50 word of the dictionary. So this 48. So 49th word will start with N. Okay, because next alphabetically out of this 5 letter N will come. So if I fixed N as the first letter, rest 4 letter will be A, then G, I, because I also arranged this alphabetically. Next, 50 word, what we have to do? Just change G, place of G and I. So N, A, I, G. This will be our 50 letter. Clear? Okay. Now, next question is similar. You have to arrange this one and you have to write what word will you get in the 60 word if you arrange this one in dictionary. So you can answer me this on chat box. So that's all in this video. So hope you enjoy this video, and in the next video we will learn what is combination and we will do sums related to that. So till that, bye.